Xiamen Huison Biotech Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise which exclusively focuses on the research, fermentation, manufacturing, and sales of microorganism. Huison, the professional algae DHA supplier, since 2001, adhering to the idea of transferring health with science, is consistently committed to manufacturing higher-quality DHA algal oil. Huison has independently owned excellent strains that were strictly screened and cultivated, and its fermentation technology has reached state-of-the-art level of similar products in China. What's more, Huison also possesses the invention patents for key technologies, especially in extraction. Extracted by mechanical technology without using any solvent, Huison's DHA algal oil is safe without any contaminant and has been widely used in soft gels, gummies, food, infant formula. The supervision and administration involves every single step of production process, from raw material purchase, production, quality control, reserve to shipments, customer acceptance of the confirmation. Huison is the first manufacturer in China that exported DHA algal oil. We've also obtained halal, kosher, ISO 9001, ISO 22000 certificate. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, America, India. Algae DHA is attracting increasing people who care for health, which is the purpose of Huison's establishment. Huison is not producing products, but producing value. Our goal is to bring value to clients who transfer health to final consumers.